Hello, Megan here from Erin Park Toyota. Today I'm going to show you our service check-in process. In order to comply with regional bylaws and the Public Health Agency of Canada's recommendation, please remember the following. Schedule your appointment a few days or a week ahead by either calling us at the number below or from our website. On the date and time of your appointment, please remember to wear a face covering, specifically covering your nose and mouth before entering the dealership. Drive slowly up to the right side of the garage doors and it will open automatically. You will notice our valets, who are in red. They will guide you to move up slowly and safely into the drive-thru. You will notice some red tape around the ground, which we ask you to stay behind to help practice a safe social distance, while one of our available advisors greets you and checks you in. We will also wipe down the driver's side console with a disinfectant that is safe for the vehicle, wrap the steering wheel, place a seat cover and a floor mat for the tech to be able to work in the car safely. If you are booked as a waiting appointment, you are able to wait in our guest lounge. We have pulled our chairs 6 feet apart in order to practice social distancing. Once your vehicle is ready for pickup, our guest service representatives will be able to cash you out and direct you to pick up your vehicle in the drive-thru.